Have you ever experienced your phone becoming slow or freezing at the most inconvenient moment? Perhaps you've noticed it takes longer to open apps or that it simply doesn't behave the way you want it to. Imagine there's a way to refresh your device without too much effort. Well, there is. Automatic restarting might be the solution you're looking for. This feature allows your phone to restart itself and improve its performance, whether it's needed or on a schedule you set. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily set up automatic restarting on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First, open the settings. When you open it, scroll down and look for the device care option, then tap on it. After you open this option, scroll down a bit, and in the performance section, tap on Auto Optimization. Next, at the bottom of the screen, you will see the Auto Restart option. Tap on it. When you reach this part like I did, you will see two options. If you want, enable the Restart When Needed option by tapping the switch next to it, and your phone will automatically assess its performance and decide when it's time to restart. This option is very useful as it allows the phone to refresh when it notices that it's slowing down or having operational issues. However, it's important to note that after each restart, you will need to unlock your phone before you can start receiving notifications and alarm messages from some apps. Also, you won't be able to see the names of incoming callers until the phone is unlocked. If you want to enable the Restart on Schedule option, tap the switch next to it, and then you'll need to choose the days when you want your phone to restart automatically. This can be one day or multiple days. Right below that, you need to select the time when it will happen. Once you set the time, tap the Done option and that's it. Now you know how to enable automatic restarting on your Samsung Galaxy phone, whether you choose the Restart When Needed option or Restart on Schedule. These features are a great way to keep your device in optimal condition and ensure it runs smoothly. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you very soon and thank you so much for watching.